Hi YouTube, this is a quick unboxing video for the Gulikit KingKong 2 Pro Controller. It was delivered by Amazon. It got banged up, the box. Hopefully the controller is fine. Alright, let's unbox this thing. I'm gonna try out this controller and compare it to my Xbox controller that I got not too long, well, a couple years ago now. Well, a year ago. It's that lime green thing that I unboxed on YouTube before. Okay, I need to cut this. Where's my scissors or something? There they are. Yes, this thing is going to be, I'm going to try it over this. This has been holding up quite nicely. I had to add more grips to it, but that's about it. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Okay. Alright, let's see. Okay, it comes with the extra buttons, a polling tool. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, extra buttons and a polling tool for buttons by the looks of it. Oh, okay. Comes in a carrying case, a clear hard case. Okay, let's see what else is in here. A sticker, some product advertisement stuff. I think this may be batteries. Let's see. Ah, okay. A charging cord. USB-C. Yeah. You got USB-A here to USB-C. So that is for charging and stuff to get the latest firmware. For anyone that needs it, go ahead and scan those. Alright, moving on. Okay, so it's a hard clear case for transport probably. Okay, it's nice that they, oh yeah, that feels different. Okay, it does have a built-in rechargeable battery compared to the original Xbox. They're about the same shape in that. The original Xbox has a removable battery pack. I use rechargeable battery packs. Okay, let's flip it over. Oh yeah, that feels way different. There's a bumper here too. A, B, X, Y. Okay, apparently it was turning on. Okay, so it's turning on all on its own. Oh yeah, this will be interesting to play. This really reminds me of a mixture of the Xbox controller mixed with like a Nintendo Pro controller. That's what this reminds me of. You can use this for emulators and all that kind of stuff too, which I am planning on doing that. Alright, yeah, these, oh yeah, compared to my older. You can feel a little bit of drag on these, but this is a good solid controller to go with. If you have like a computer with Bluetooth built in, works no problem. But yeah, this was the Gulikit Pro 2 controller. I will be switching these around and updating it and all that. Thanks for watching. I'll be trying to upload more stuff. I've been doing a lot of shorts about Pokemon and all that, but for now, just going with what I got. I've been meaning to do a lot more streaming and all that kind of stuff too, but don't have time to do it most of the time. So anyways, that is the KingKong 2 Pro controller, and let me bring this up to the thing here. There, Hall effect stuff and all that fun stuff. This is all on the back of this. Alright, like, share, subscribe, or even just use my videos as background noise. I don't mind. Alright, later YouTube.